1976 Pontiac Trans Am. You cannot deny a car this pretty, ladies and gentlemen. Featuring a black exterior, PMD wheels. You have the golden bird on the front. Honestly, this car could definitely pass off as a Bandit car, even though it's 1 year older than the original car. Going into the inside, you have the black bucket seats, 4-speed manual. Of course, you can see right away it has the stock wheel. Other than that, you have your stock gauges. Also that, you have the power windows to give it more of a newer style. Underneath the hood, featuring a 455 big block motor with aluminum heads. As you can also see in the pictures, we do have the original heads as well as the original intake with the quadrojet carburetor. So when you buy this car, you're definitely getting one hell of a deal here at Skyway. But as for now though, we're just going to get it turned around safely and up on the lift, so stay tuned to see the underneath.